Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen and my channel. Today I want to share the recipe of eggplants in tomato garlic sauce in the oven, also known as shaksuka. It is a very delicious appetizer, indifferent from deep fried. I hope you try and like it. So let's start. I peeled 1 kilogram of eggplants speckled and I'm chopping as seen in the video. I chopped them in a bowl and now I add 1 full dessert spoon of salt and enough water on them. I close 1 plate on it and wait for half an hour. This is necessary for the eggplants to release their bitterness to the water. After half an hour, I wash it and put it on the strainer. I add half a teacup of oil in the baking tray. I put the eggplants waiting on the strainer. I mix them thoroughly with my hand so that it's oiled all over. I'm straightening them. I will bake them in 250-degree oven until they are golden brown. I put them in the oven now. After a while, I mix them with the help of a spatula so that they are fried in both ways. I'm putting it into the oven again. As you can see, my eggplants are browned as if they were fried in the oil. I take them to a plate and put them aside to wait. In the meantime, I will prepare the sauce of my shaksuka. To the pot, I put about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I add 3 pieces of charliston peppers, 1 red pepper, 3 or 4 pieces of green pepper. You can chop them as seen in the video. I roast the peppers until they are lightly browned. Now I add 3-4 cloves of garlic. I cook a little more. Meanwhile, I peeled 1 kilogram of tomato and passed it through the kitchen robot. I add it on my peppers. On them, I add enough salt, 1 dessertspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I'm mixing it. As you can see, the sauce started to boil. It already smells amazing. I will cook this way for about 10-15 minutes on medium-low heat. 15 minutes later, I put the eggplants in the sauce, which I have already fried in the oven. I'm mixing them. I cook this way for about 5 more minutes on low heat. It already smells and looks amazing. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be one of your favorite appetizers. After 5 minutes, I take it from the stove and I get it on my serving plate. My eggplants in tomato garlic sauce in the oven are ready. I hope you try and like this recipe. I decorate it with chopped parsley. You can decorate it any way you wish. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.